Hi, this is Michelle from India Unboxing, and today we have.
Hi, I'm Shivali from Kachkala. So this is all my handmade products what we have done. I have around 10 to 12 of artists with me, and we together, all girls, we make some products that you can see in the video. So it is all handmade, made from resin, from the scratch, and we have hand painted clocks as well. That is of certain themes. We basically are more focused and inclined towards spiritual journey. So we are more into spiritual journey. So we are creating something like that only. So if you can see, this is Mataji panel. So you have all now Durgas in this, and we can customize if you want something else as well.
Sure, very artistic. So, we wanted to ask you, how did you start this journey?
So it is. I started like three years back. It was just a hobby. I started in my bedroom itself. Then gradually, because of this MSME department and UP government, I came across like they helped me a lot in developing my skills and taking it to new heights. So they are helping me as they want me to put up my stalls in all over India. So they want my artwork to be to more visibilities and all. So took me around 3 years to come over here.
Oh, wonderful. And where is your manufacturing based out of?
So we are based in Lucknow. I have a small workshop in my father's factory premises as well. So I have a workshop, then I have a store near Faizabad Road with the name of Interior Studio. So you can visit and see our products, else you can order us from like online from Instagram or from Amazon or on Flipkart. So we are ready to make something different and unique for you.
Wow, that's amazing. So, how long does it take, for example, this beautiful piece of art? How long did it take, like, for you to create this?
So this takes around 1 week of time because this is resin, and resin takes around 36 hours to get fully dried. So once it is dried, then we make all the edges, we sand, we polish, and then it goes in a ready department.
And what is the material used in these arts?
This is resin that is poured in such a manner that it looks like a marble.
Okay, wonderful. And if anybody wants to customize, you can do that for them,
Yeah,
right?
of course. I customize from the scratch. The thing is, like, if we can share a video, there's a clock. There's a masala preserved clock. You can see.
Yes.
So we have made a dining table out of masala preserved clock as well. Then we have a coffee table as well. Then we can make a table clock also. So
Okay.
there's a huge variety of customization is possible, and the huge variety as well.
Wonderful. And if someone wants to order from international locations, is it possible?
Yes, of course it is possible. Even we have delivered few products to personal connections in London and in US. So yes, we are ready for that also, and we have the best packaging partner with us. So with safety, the products will be delivered to your doorstep.
And is there any minimum order quantity?
Not here as such, because these are artistic products. These are all handmade, so we don't have any minimum quantity. You can even order one product from us.
And what is the range starting from?
We are starting from 1,000 rupees going towards 1 lakh.
Okay, all right. Okay, thank you so much for talking to us today.
Thank you.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you.